Hey everybody, Nomadic Weather Bear here, and we have a new feature that we call Connie's Kitchen. And she's going to cook some various food items that she loves to cook. And we're going to start with one of her favorite and my favorite meals she makes.
Lasagna.
Lasagna!
Yay, lasagna! Just like that cartoon cat.
So what you starting with here? You got a combination of...
I've got ground beef, and then I picked up at Publix, I think, the mild pork. It's got
pork sausage, right?
Yeah, because it's got all the Italian herbs in it.
Alrighty.
Which is a time saver.
And over here we got all kinds of cheeses. How many?
I don't even know anymore.
5 or 6 cheeses at least. Yeah. Okay, and then we have the pasta she uses is
no cook.
Right, real thin. She doesn't put in a lot of pasta because we keep it low carb and low sugar. And this particular tomato sauce. And how many eggs? 2 eggs. Okay, so here's the meat to cooking. You're going to add to the meat.
I'm going to add
some garlic.
3 cloves of garlic, Italian seasoning, and then a tiny amount of spaghetti sauce.
Spaghetti sauce. Okay. All right. And then once the meat cooks, we'll start throwing some more stuff together.
Yeah.
Okay. Excellent. Okay, let's see how we're progressing over here.
Pretty good.
It's really sizzling.
I'll put some garlic in.
And this will give both of us like 3 or 4 full meals, so this lasts a while.
Yeah.
I'd love to eat it all, but just can't. The garlic press. Brand new.
Oh, I like it.
I believe the garlic press was a birthday present because I already had gotten her a vacuum cleaner for Christmas, and for Valentine's Day I decided on a mop and bucket. You needed them,
You're
right?
such a romantic.
I am, I know.
You are.
Thank you. Okay. In goes the garlic. Smells very, very garlicky.
Toasty. That was good. That one's good.
Get in there, garlic. Squeeze.
Yeah, I like plenty of. You don't have to use as much. Sometimes I use stew for really nice flavor. But I like garlic. You don't want to hang out with me if you don't like garlic. Okay, I got that. Okay.
Wish everybody had smell-o-vision. This hasn't been invented yet.
Well, yeah, you can smell the Italian herbs from that sausage that we picked up at the grocery store. It has a lot of herbs, which is great. It gives it a fabulous flavor. It is herb time.
Okay. I love herb time.
I use a capsule.
All right.
And here, I'm going to need some sauce. Yay, sauce appeared. And really you use very little of this.
It's just about how much?
Quarter of a cup to half. It's not quite.
Okay.
You just
Don't need too much, huh?
No, because it's all cheeses and meat. Really doesn't.
Yeah, trying to keep the carbs down as much as we can because of my condition, so I'm really good at it. Tastes even better, I think, with more cheese and more meat.
Well, I like it. I think I'll put a little more in. That doesn't look like enough.
You're the master.
Yeah, right? Cheers. Yeah, just leave that to simmer because you're going to layer it all anyhow. It doesn't really matter.
Okay. And what'll be the next?
The next step is the filling.
Okay. We will get to the filling next. Okay, so what's the next step of Connie's magic lasagna?
I'm going to mix egg
Hmm?
and ricotta and feta,
Okay.
parm, and some more Italian seasoning because that'll be the filling with the meat in the lasagna.
Okay.
It'll be really good.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Master cracker. Do it with one hand. See. Woo! Yeah, I can't do that. It's a
Not
special
yet.
skill.
You just don't know how to do it yet.
It's true.
That's
I'll find you an egg whipper. Only 2 eggs on it.
I have one.
So what else goes in there? Seasoning?
It will. I'm gonna throw the ricotta in next.
Okay.
And this thing is 32 ounces. Wow. I don't use 32 ounces. I use maybe half.
Okay.
This is not whole lasagna sheet. This is half. Because there's only 2 of us, so
Mm-hmm. Just the 2 of us.
that's right. Well, that's still on simmer. Maybe I should turn it down a little bit. I don't think it needs to cook any more than that. Just gotta get this mixed hot.
I shall stir it a bit. Is it alright if I stir
Yeah,
it?
go ahead. I'm just mixing it hot.
Of course, I'm a guy. I can handle the meat alright.
Yeah, but it's not on a grill.
Not close enough, though. Grill skillet.
I know, what's the difference?
I know how to move my meat around.
You really?
It's pretty easy. There we go. Is that good?
Looks good to me.
Alright. What's next?
I'm gonna throw some feta.
Ooh, that's a
I would say,
fat. Fat.
yeah.
That's why we have like 6 of those half full in the fridge, probably.
Yeah, that's probably it. Okay, yeah, I used about 6 ounces of it.
Sounds good.
You mix that in. Then throw in parm.
Parmesan.
This is, what is this? I have no idea. 6 ounces. So I'm going to put probably 3 ounces in.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. That's not all.
Wait, there's more.
Wait, there's more. Yeah.
Check on our looking good.
And I'm going to throw in some Italian cheese.
6 cheese Italian.
Yeah, this says it's 2 cups. I'm not going to use 2 cups. I'm just going to put in a cup. It'll be good. And another capful of Italian seasoning. Where would I be without Italian seasoning?
I don't know. Not in a better place, that's for sure. Voila.
Mm-hmm. And we just mix all this together and construct.
So that's it for the cheeses, huh? Gosh.
Oh,
that's a lot of
there'll be
cheese.
more cheese.
Oh, on top, right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So this is all that goes in this bowl for the mixing?
Yeah. Nothing else.
Alright, so what's the next step going to be?
Well, then I'm going to get the baking dish ready.
Okay. Action.
I'm back. We're going to put this thing together. And then we're going to put it in 350 I like to cook it an hour. 45 minutes is probably okay, but let it set in the oven after you turn it off for about 10 minutes. Because you do want it to kind of cool down and set up a little bit. Then you eat it.
That's my favorite part.
I know.
Okay.
I'm going to put a little tiny bit of sauce in the bottom. And I mean a little. Because really, I don't want a lot of sauce. Yeah, that's probably good. Yeah. Smear around just however you can get it to coat. This one's really nice and thick. I like it.
Can I lick your fingers?
Yes.
Delish. Sorry, folks. I just couldn't resist. Oh, I got it on my lip.
Get in here.
So next, we're gonna get the really thin, super thin pasta thing.
Yeah, oven ready. You don't have to boil it.
Oh, good.
Get the oven ready. Make your
will.
life easier. You know how it is with noodles.
Mm-hmm. All right.
You just start building your lasagna with your sausage, garlic, sauce.
You gonna hold that one?
Italian seasoning.
Hard to hold when I'm filming.
It is with one hand, so I'll just scoot this over a little. It'll be fine. Make sure it's good and meaty. Let's not be stingy.
Oh no. You don't
Gonna
want
go to the trouble to do this. Don't be stingy. Okay, that's fine.
Wait.
It's hot.
Yeah, my pepper. Okay, so this is a layer of pasta and then meat, and now here comes the bowl stuff. That's what I call it.
Bowl stuff.
Bowl stuff. All that cheese.
Remember that one time you mixed it all up for me?
I do.
You did a fabulous job. Yeah, we were in Utah. And we did it together.
Mm-hmm.
You're a good helper.
Thank you.
Well,
Do what
okay.
I can.
I know. I'll put a little more in there. Okay.
Now,
Mozzarella.
mozzarella. Yeah, I'm pretty, now that I look at this, pretty sure I'm not lactose intolerant.
I don't think you are.
There's no way I could eat all this.
I know.
All right, so a nice layer of cheese. And then more pasta. You put as little in there as you can, huh?
I do.
Yeah, just to, again, keep the carbs down mainly. And it's just kind of a thing that keeps things together.
Mm-hmm.
So
It's
you
like a
don't eat
fork.
too much. Well, of course, a lot of people really love pasta, so
Yeah.
I can understand more people putting in
Sure.
pasta. But I don't hate pasta. I just can't eat it because of my diabetes and stuff like that. So, okay. More meat.
Yes. Just going to do the same thing that we did with the other layer. That's it.
All right. So we can come back in a little bit and look at the finished, uncooked product. Sound like a plan?
It does.
Okay, see ya.
Bye. Oh. I had leftover cheese product. I usually don't have this much. I always have some, and I always put it on the last noodles.
Mm-hmm.
And then the rest of the meat.
So you put in another pasta layer and threw the cheese on top of that.
Yes.
And then we got a little extra meat, which is
I
always
have a little
good.
extra meat, and I'm going to throw the grease and everything in there.
Okay.
It's not going to matter.
Go grease.
Of course, if you don't like grease, you could drain it. I just don't.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just going to throw a little more mozzarella on top. It'll be real cheesy up here. Well, if we had a dog, we would have got it. Maybe we need a dog.
Maybe.
Keep the floor clean when I'm in the kitchen. Let's just finish off the mozzarella.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Use up everything we can. And we'll just put it in the oven.
All right, so it goes into the oven.
Yep, 350.
350 for about an hour or so.
Yeah.
All right. So you had 3 layers of that
3 layers
of
of
the pasta. Okay.
the noodles.
And if anyone missed any of the ingredients and they'd like to try it, they can always just leave a comment and we can get back to you. All righty. Well, let's stick this puppy in the oven, shall we?
Yeah, and then we can eat it.
Yeah.
Let me get the lid.
Oh, you got to cover it.
No, but I don't like burnt noodles. So. If you if you don't mind burnt noodles.
Oh no, that's burnt noodle.
No.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Take 2. Ta-da! All right, so now we just wait for it to finish preheating.
Yeah.
And it helps to turn the oven on.
It does have to turn it.
All right, well, that's it for Connie's Kitchen. We'll if you want to get a picture of the final product, give us a call, give us a buzz, or an Insta chat on your Face Twitter account. Okay. All right. Thanks again, Connie. Bye.
Sure. Bye.
Bye from Connie's Kitchen.